Assalamu alaikum students. Today our lecture will be on ratio and proportion. So first of all, we will start with the using a ratio to find an unknown quantity. So using ratio to find an unknown quantity. So this is our heading. So let's start. What points are there now? How we will find them. So sometimes you know one of the quantities in the ratio, but not the other. So first point you have to note, if that the ratio is in the form one ratio n. So what we will do is you work out the second quantity by multiplying the first. The first quantity by n. Now the second point is these both are conditions. So now second condition for is if uh, you can work out the first quantity by dividing the second quantity by n, and the second condition will be you can work out the first quantity by dividing the second quantity by n. So now let's see the example. So it will be clear what I'm saying now. So how I will use these both conditions now. So now we have an example. This is from the book. The example is about example 11.3. A map is drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter ratio 2 kilometers. So now second part is on the map, the distance So now we have a question. A map is drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter to 2 kilometer. So in a map, 1 centimeter is just an 1 centimeter, but in a real life, that 1 centimeter represents the 2 kilometers. So the distance between there are the two cities, and how and sorry, so it did burn. So is 5.4 centimeter. So you can think about there are the two cities. No? So this city one and city two. So uh, on the map, the distance between is just enough 5.4 centimeter. So, but the question is here. Let me write the question. What is saying? What is the real distance in kilometers? So in a real life, what how much kilometers this represent? Yeah? So this is the question. So now to solving for this, so 1 centimeter is representing the 2 kilometer. So it's just in a double. So if you multiply, if you uh, if you twice this centimeters to two, so these will be converted into a real life distance. So the real life distance is equals to 5.4 centimeter into 2. So this will become 10.8 kilometers in a real life. It represents so so 5.4 ratio 10.8. When you simplify this, you will get this condition back. If what I mean the simplification is when you divide with 2 both sides, you will I might say not 2 but 5.4. 5.4. If you divide 5.4 to both sides, you will get the 1 centimeter ratio to kilometer back. So now part B is so 11.3. So it's we have a part B. Part C. The length of a street railway track between two stations is 7.8 kilometers. So how long is this track? How long is this track? In centimeters on the map. So let's do the solution. So now we have so 1 centimeter on a map is 2 kilometers in real life. But you can also imagine like this. So 1 kilometer represent the 1/2 centimeter on the map. So when you want to convert this into uh, the distance in a on a map. So what we'll do, so distance on a map, so you have to divide it. So you have to divide 7.8 by 2. So while dividing, you will get 3.9 centimeters. So distance on a map, it will become a 3.9 centimeter, because as you can see, 1 kilometer is equal to 1 by 2 centimeter. So we have just half it, no? This divide with 2. So you will get back. So I hope this is understandable. Let's go to the second part. So there might be some more conditions, no? So sometimes what it is, sometimes you have to work out quantities. Sometimes you have to work out quantities using ratio that is not in the form 1:n. So to work out an unknown quantity, converts to an equivalent ratio involving the unknown quantity. So what we'll do is to work out an unknown quantity convert to an equivalent ratio involving the known quantity. So let's see from example, so it will be more clear. So we have example. It's example 11.4. So we have a question. It says two photos are in the ratio are in the ratio 2:5. So what it is asking is, what is the height of the large photo. So let's see. Let's find the photo. Now this is the photo. No? So let's do it much large. So this question is about the two photos are in the ratio 2:5. So this is 2:5. So what is the height of the large photo? So now it's asking about this height of this giraffe. So now this photo is also giving this is a large or large photo, and this is a small photo. So now the ratios are given now. So now we will use the ratios and we will find this now. So ratios in a ratio, the quantities will remain same. So 2:5 is equals to. So now 2 ratio is for if this is in 2:5. So that means the total we have 7 parts, and the 2 parts for small photo, and 5 parts for large photo. So this is the distribution. So how much the large is the sum from other. So this is the small, and this is the large photo. So now this two represent for to this now small. So now the 8 centimeter is given for this now. So now I will write this 8 centimeter. So by using this now, and we find the height of this. So because the ratio, the height of a ratio and the width of a ratio are same. So for those two photos are in the ratio of 2:5. So by finding this, we will reciprocal this. So 8 h divided by 8. Now this will go 5/2, and you will multiply with 8 both sides. So 8 will become cancelled. So by cancelling this, what we will get is h is equals to 5 divided by 2 into 8. So when we divide with 2, so 8 divided by 2 you will get 4, 2 divided by 2 you will get 1. 4 into 5 we will get how much? It's 20 centimeter. So now height is ours 20 centimeter. So and in the B part it says what is the width of a smaller photo. So now it says find the width of this now. So let me first write the question. Uh, let's get this here. So now part B question is about what what is the width of the smaller photo. So see, this is also similar to this now, but we will use 2:5. But now width, if we are finding the width of this now small photo, so W divided by the width of this now. So this is 15. So by multiplying both sides with 15, uh, so 15 will be cancelled, and you will get W is for the width. So 15 divided by 5 into 2. So 15 divided by 5 you will get 3. 3 into 2 you will get 6 centimeters. So in a simple way you easily say this is 6 centimeter, and that was the uh, 20 centimeter. The height of this was 20 centimeter, and the width of this is the 6 centimeter. Uh, Now, here you can also note this is when you use this 8 centimeter divided by 20, and that's 6 centimeter divided by 50. So while you will solve this, you will get the same ratios. So this is it. So if you have some question, you can ask me by comment, or you can email me. So now it's Allah Hafiz.